Woo, woo. Hey, folks, I'm glad y'all here. I don't know if y'all can tell or not. My wife got me a new hoodie and told me not to get it dirty. I promptly spilled oil right down the front of it, and I don't know what to tell her. Well, wasn't supposed to be out here in it. Anyway, we're here now, so I got a stain I gotta take out. Anyway, we're back on this old saw here. Finally got me a nice little carburetor kit. We're gonna kit it up. Maybe get rid of some of them headaches I've had with this thing. Hope it all tunes out good. We'll find out. Hey, I have run across a channel I'm excited about. I love it. Can't quit watching it. Can't get enough, and I think you will too. In-house garage. Awesome content. You're gonna want to ding his bell, sub, all that stuff. Y'all know what to do. Hey, let me get some stuff together. We'll take a look at this carburetor. Yeah. Here's that little old Walmart carburetor that I tinkered with a week or so back. I got me a kit, and to refresh your memory, we'll go ahead and pull this side down. I messed up and didn't pull this carburetor apart. Started finding other little problems with it and neglected to open it up. And what I had found was that screen was clogged up with trash. So we took a look at the other side. We'll pull these four out for you. Meantime, while I'm tearing this apart, I got the ultrasonic cleaner heating up so we can give it a little sauna bath. But I was trying to determine why I was having such a hard time adjusting this carburetor and getting it. Well, I don't know if this is all of it, but when I opened this up right here, there's no gasket in here. That gasket does make a difference. Was it leaking? No. Was it sucking air? I can't tell you that. I know it's supposed to be in there, and I want one in there. Let's go ahead and get that in the soaker bucket. I got my concoction here. I just put all mine in a quart mason jar. Maybe this is a ball. This is a ball jar, not to be confused with a mason jar. Get this old gasket off. Now, we're just going to put it all down in there. Get all my goodies down in there. Put that lip jar on tight. I'm gonna sit him down in this hot sauna here. That water's already warmed up. Well, almost all the way. Whatever 55 Celsius is, that's what it is right now. Or 50 Celsius is what it is right now. I wish I could make this gosh awful racket for a while. Now that we've got it out of the cleaner, blown it off with a little carburetor cleaner too, let's go ahead and get it assembled. I'm going to start with this pump side, get my gasket on, this mylar piece, I guess you call it. It didn't come with the one like that. We're going to give this one a try. And we'll move over here to this. I'm gonna go ahead and get my spring dropped down in there. Stand him up. Get my needle set down in that cam lever. This is where things go wrong fast. Yeah. I'm better off just to put him in the screwdriver. I like it. It seems to be a skosh on the high side. Needs to be bent down a hair. I ain't got much to say. Trying not to drop these little old screws. All right, that's all I can do right there. Let's get it back on that saw and see what we got going on. We got our carburetor kitted back up, got it back on here, and man, I left this little rubber guide out that for the adjustments. I've been fiddling with it. I want to get this side cover back on. We're going to crank it up and see what's going on. Let's see, we got a choke, we got a kill switch, throttle working. Let's choke it, prime it up a few pumps there. She's taking fuel. testing. But I am glad that baby's running a whole lot better. Kind of learn a lesson about coming in behind somebody else. Get the full story. Find out what's going on with a piece of equipment. I guess from now on we take it all apart. Appreciate you checking out my little saw video. Hey, if you think about it, sure would appreciate one of those thumbs up. I like the subscribes. How about one of those? Hook us up with one of them right there. Till next time, y'all take care. And I'm going to go find somewhere warm